I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blue cheese sauce for wings. Melt butter in a small saucepan and gently sauté minced garlic without browning. Add heavy cream and bring to a simmer, then crumble in blue cheese and whisk until smooth. Season with lemon juice, salt, and black pepper to taste. Cool slightly before serving with hot wings or refrigerate for a thicker dip. Combine ingredients on your counter so nothing gets missed and so you can cook confidently. Use 1 cup of crumbled blue cheese, 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 clove minced garlic, and a splash of lemon juice. Measure salt carefully and add black pepper to taste. For a thinner sauce, stir in a tablespoon of milk. Fresh chives or parsley add color and a light herbal lift. Keep the heat low to prevent grainy sauce and work patiently for the best texture. Melt butter and briefly cook garlic, then add cream and bring to a gentle simmer. Remove from heat and whisk in blue cheese until smooth, returning to very low heat only if needed. Taste and adjust with lemon or a splash of milk for consistency. Cool slightly before serving so the sauce thickens and flavors meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.